Welcome to Caregiver for Hire's YouTube page. My name is Patrick, a registered nurse and instructor for Caregiver for Hire. Today we are going to show you the skills that pay the bills. Today's skill we're going to show you is nail care. The first thing you're going to do is introduce yourself to the client. Knock, knock, knock. Good morning, Mr. Jonah. My name is Patrick, your HCA today. Today we are going to do nail care. Next, you're going to wash your hands and put on gloves. There is no wrong way to put on your gloves. The next thing you're going to do is gather your supplies. The first thing you're going to get is a hand towel that acts like your barrier. The next thing you're going to grab is 3 washcloths. The next supply is a emesis basin. Place the emesis basin on your barrier. After you get the emesis basin, the next supply is an orange stick. Place the orange stick in the emesis basin. Then you're going to get a nail file. Place the nail file also in the emesis basin. Last but not least, you're going to need hand lotion. The next thing you're going to do is make sure that Mr. Jonah has his call bell, because you will need to go to the sink to get some warm water. Mr. Jonah, here is your call bell. I need to go get some warm water. You're going to make your way towards the sink. Once you get to the sink, you're going to get a paper towel to turn the sink on to warm water. Let the water get warm and you're going to fill up the emesis basin about halfway. Fill up the emesis basin about halfway and use a paper towel to turn the water off. Now you need to make your way back to Mr. Jonah's room. Once you get back to the room, the next thing you're going to do is provide for privacy. You're going to go to Mr. Jonah and you're going to have Mr. Jonah test the warm water. Mr. Jonah, can you test the water? Mr. Jonah, how does the water feel? It feels good. Once Mr. Jonah has tested the water, you are going to have a seat in front of your client. Once you are seated in front of your client, you are going to have your client soak his fingertips in the water for 5 minutes. Mr. Jonah, can you soak your fingertips in the water for 5 minutes? After 5 seconds, you're going to let the evaluator know that Mr. Jonah has soaked his fingertips for 5 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is remove Mr. Jonah's hands from the water and set it on the barrier. And the next thing you're going to do is you are going to dry each of Mr. Jonah's fingertips using a clean side of the washcloth for each pat. Make sure you pat dry each fingertip. Once you have dried Mr. Jonah's fingertips, you can dispose of the washcloth in the dirty linen hamper. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your orange stick. You're going to go under each of Mr. Jonah's nails, swiping in one direction. After you swipe under Mr. Jonah's nails, you are going to wipe the dirt off the orange stick on a clean surface of the washcloth. So wipe, you're going to do the ring finger, swipe and wipe, the middle finger, swipe and wipe, the pointer finger, swipe and wipe, and don't forget about the thumb. Swipe and wipe. Now you can discard of this washcloth in the dirty linen hamper. Once you have cleaned Mr. Jonah's fingertips with the orange stick, the next thing you're going to do is file the fingernails. You need to file with the nail growth in short direction. You're going to start with the pinky and you're going to file, file, file. The ring finger, file, file, file. The middle finger, file, file, file. The pointer finger, file, file, file. And last but not least, don't forget about the thumb. File, file, file. Make sure you check your client's fingertips for smoothness. After filing each of the fingertips, you are going to offer hand lotion to your client. Mr. Jonah, would you like hand lotion?
Yes, I would.
Make sure you get a dime-sized amount of hand lotion. Make sure you make the lotion warm. You can put lotion on Mr. Jonah's hands and fingertips. The next thing you're going to do is use a clean side of the surface of a washcloth to wipe off any excess lotion, starting with the top of the hands, next to the palms, the left and right side, and don't forget about these fingertips. After wiping off the excess lotion, you can discard of the washcloth in the dirty linen hamper. The next thing you're going to do is ask Mr. Jonah, Mr. Jonah, how do your fingers feel?
My fingers feel good.
After drying off the excess lotion from Mr. Jonah's hand, it is time to clean up your supplies. You're going to put the file and the orange stick in the garbage. Then you're going to return the lotion where you got it in the supply area. You're going to get the barrier and place the barrier in the dirty linen hamper. After you dispose of the barrier, you want to make sure that Mr. Jonah has his call bell. Let Mr. Jonah know that you are going to go to the sink and you will be right back. Make your way to the sink. Once you arrive to the sink, you're going to pour out the water from the emesis basin in the sink. Next, you're going to get a paper towel and turn the water on. Place the paper towel in the trash. You're going to rinse your emesis basin at least 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a paper towel and turn the faucet off. Discard of your paper towel into the trash. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a washcloth to dry off your emesis basin. Place your emesis basin upside down in the dirty supply area while you discard the paper towel. Once you return to the room, the next thing you're going to do is remove your gloves. Discard the gloves into the garbage can and make sure you wash your hand. Once you're done washing your hand, you want to remove the privacy curtain. Once the privacy curtain is removed, you are going to give Mr. Jonah with his common care items. You're going to leave him with his call bell and a cup of tea. Mr. Jonah, here is your call bell and cup of tea. After you have given him his common care items, you will tell the evaluator that the task is complete. Thank you for watching Caregiver for Hire's YouTube page, where the skills pay the bills.